welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. For today's video, I have a Mother's Day shopping haul and I also have some Mother's Day gift ideas in case you haven't gotten a gift yet. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything that's pink and girly, then girl, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. So I haven't been into Target in like forever. I think it's been over 3 months since I last went into Target. They have the most beautiful shoes and shoe collection. This is the first pair, and of course it had to be pink. The moment I saw these, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get these. They are absolutely gorgeous. They are perfect. Like, these are the perfect shoes if you love pink items. They have like little bow details. They are very, very girly, very comfortable to wear. I actually already worn these out, and look at the heel. It's like literally perfect. It's not like super high, and it has like the square detail in the front. I also picked up these other shoes. They are so pretty. They have like little pearl details all around, and they're like small pearls, big pearls. These are definitely mom approved, and if you're a Target, definitely pick these up. You're not going to regret it. And I couldn't decide between getting these and the pink ones, so I just got them both. But definitely recommend them. So moving on to some beauty items, I did pick up some items from TJ Maxx, and this item in particular I have been eyeing for a very, very long time, and I finally got it, and I'm so glad I did. It is this gorgeous brush set from Impressions Vanity, and it has the little Hello Kitty logo on it. They are in the light shade of pink. You get 6 of them, and I am so excited to finally have these in my collection. I also picked up this really cute set. I actually got 2 of them, and it is this adorable little mini set from Chi for Barbie. You get the Moisture Therapy shampoo, the Moisture Therapy conditioner, and then there is the Silk Infusion. So it's like 3 in 1. And I thought this was like adorable because you get 3 mini ones. And look how cute they are. They are literally adorable. So also from TJ Maxx, I got some of these beautiful bows. Like, the moment I saw them, I fell in love with them. Like, look how pretty they are. They're not just like the ordinary one color bows. These actually have like this beautiful texture to them. Like, how pretty. And bows are so trendy right now, like so in style. Of course, I had to pick a couple of these up. They are absolutely beautiful. So at the checkout line, you know how they have like tons of cute things? I had to pick these up the moment I saw them. They are rose silicone molds. So you can make these into ice cubes. You can either put just regular water for ice cubes. You can elevate your special drink, whether it be like coffee, some wine, some rosé, anything, and it's just going to make your drink look so pretty, so aesthetically pleasing. And of course I had to get them. They're light pink, they're beautiful, they're so soft. I can't wait to use these to make my drinks. So let's move on to some jewelry. You girls know I love some jewelry, and one of my favorite brands is Luisa, New York. I can't say enough amazing things about this company and this brand. They are literally one of my most favorite brands because of its quality. They have the most gorgeous jewelry. They have earrings, bracelets, necklaces, you name it, and I am obsessed with their jewelry pieces. They are sustainable jewelry, and they're backed up with 365 days money back guarantee, which literally says so much about them. That's how you know these are incredible pieces that you are getting. And I did pick up 3 items, and honestly this is like the best Mother's Day gift ever. They're always having really awesome sales on their website. If you sign up and use your email, you will get like really good deals, so I highly recommend them. So I did get 3 pieces. I got 2 rings and some earrings, and look how beautiful they come packaged. They all come individually packaged in this beautiful little pouch, which I always save. I have all my jewelry saved in their own individual pouches because it just keeps them from tarnishing and it just keeps them looking really nice. So let me go ahead and show you. So I am so much right now into rings. I think rings just make your hands look so pretty and so elegant. So I decided to get 2 rings. The first one is this gorgeous ring. Look how pretty it is. It is gorgeous, and it's in gold tone. This does come in gold tone, and also it comes in silver. So this one here is called the Remy ring, and I think this is such a beautiful statement ring. Highly recommend it. So the next one that I have here is called the Eternity ring, and it also comes in its own little pouch. And this one here is just such a beautiful dainty piece that is a must in everybody's collection. It also comes in silver and gold. I did get this in the gold tone, and it's just so pretty. It's so dainty. It has like little rhinestones all around. It's like so sparkly. Like, what a beautiful little ring. I definitely love this. And what's great about this one is that you can stack it with like another ring. So if you have like the Remy ring, you can definitely stack it, and it looks so pretty. Next, I have some gorgeous earrings, and these are absolutely beautiful. I love everything about these earrings, and I can't wait to wear them. They are shaped like little like X's, and they're in the gold tone. Again, all these come in multiple finishes, either like silver or gold plated, and these are called the Slow Ann earrings. But look how gorgeous these are. These are so luxurious, so pretty. They're like dainty at the same time, but they're just like very elegant, and that's what I love about everything from Ana Luisa. They have gorgeous jewelry pieces, so definitely make sure to check them out. By the way, I am wearing a necklace from Ana Luisa. This one here is like a heart necklace, and I am obsessed with this. I wear this necklace like everywhere I go, and I get tons of compliments. But I'll also link this down below, as well as my earrings that I'm wearing. These are also from Ana Luisa. I got these like months and months ago, and as you can see, they're still so shiny. There's no tarnish, and they look amazing. So these are definitely like one of my favorite brands, and I highly recommend these for Mother's Day gift ideas. So if you're into beauty and skincare, I highly recommend these 2 amazing sets. These are actually from Whole Foods, believe it or not. They have an incredible section with a bunch of beauty and skincare, and they are so good. And these are such incredible gifts. It comes in a cute little bag like this, and you get tons and tons of products in the back. So if you like to try new products, or if you're looking for new items to try, these make amazing gifts. And most of them are like full size. You literally get all these items for only $20, and each of this little bag is worth $90. So just imagine that. It's like $90 worth of product, and you're only paying $20, and this is what's inside. I am obsessed with these cute little pouches. I actually did like a separate video the other day showing you everything that came inside, but highly recommend these, and these make like amazing gifts. So let's move on to some hair products. I don't know if I ever told you this story, but a few years ago, I'm talking about like maybe 3 years ago, I went to a place to get highlights, and they literally ruined my hair completely. I was devastated, and I found a stylist that fixed it, and she was able to make me look pretty again, thank goodness. And I asked her what she recommended for my hair, and she said Olaplex. So I literally took her advice and I bought everything from the brand, like literally everything. And ever since then, that is the only brand I ever use. And I can honestly tell you from my own personal experience, it has made a humongous difference in just the way my hair feels, the way it looks, the split ends. It's like a true miracle, and I don't think I'm ever going to change this brand, like ever. It is my go-to. And anytime a friend or a family member asks what they recommend, I always tell them Olaplex, because it's made a huge difference for me and I don't think I could switch it back. But anyway, long story short, not long ago I was contacted by Olaplex and they gifted me a set of their shampoo and conditioner. And when I got that email, I just could not believe it. I could not believe that my favorite hair brand had reached out to me. This is literally my favorite brand for years and years. And when I saw this email, I was like, oh my God, I can't believe it. This is like a dream come true. So this is what I got. And it is the Olaplex. It says experience a stronger, healthier hair in as little as 3 minutes. And like I said, this is like literally a miracle. And I got the Olaplex number 4 Bond Shampoo. I also got the Olaplex Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This is the number 5. And I got the Hair Perfector. This one here repairs and strengthens your hair. This is the Olaplex number 3. They do have like a huge line, and honestly everything in their line is amazing, but the shampoo and the conditioner both together just make a huge difference. And then of course if you add the like special treatment for your hair, it makes it even better. So if you're looking for something for your hair, if your hair is like brittle, dry, processed, even if you just want your hair just to look very healthy, this brand is my go-to. So definitely try it out. I'll link it down below. But I'm just like so thankful and so excited that I got this. But this is everything that I got for Mother's Day and Mother's Day recommendations. I really hope you loved today's video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.